Assalamu alaikum, my dear friends. Welcome back again my YouTube channel. So how are you all? I hope you people are pretty fine and good. God bless you, always be happy in your life, always be keep smile. So dear before dear friends and dear subscribers, today you will see in this video latest and stylish, you will see unique modern girls nail art ideas. Today you will see in this videos particular unique girls nail art ideas in 2023. So dear before dear friends and dear subscribers, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So guys, after clicking the bell icon you will get notifications of all of my videos and you will never miss any videos and any collection on my channel. Today you will see in this videos plain and printed nail art, negative space nail art, minimal statement nail art, manicure nail art, and you will see very attractive and very stylish, unique, different girls nail polish designs. If you like if you like my videos, so viewers, please share my videos with your friends, family members and social media accounts. Today you will see in this videos very outstanding and very stylish modern girls nail art ideas. So there is a huge variety of designs in these videos. So these are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in these videos. Top stunning and stylish, you will see modern attractive girls nail art ideas. So lovely viewers, if you like my videos, so viewers, please download my videos and you like this one stylish nail art idea, so take a screenshot and save your mobile. I have uploaded different girls nail art, nail polish and modern girls nail cutting designs. So lovely viewers, please watch my full videos and get amazing ideas of very attractive and very stylish, unique, different girls nail polish designs. So lovely viewers, I hope you like my videos friends. I hope you enjoy my videos. So I will meet you in next videos. So take care friends. Allah Hafiz.